Hi everyone, my name is Parmis and I'm a junior at Southern Illinois University of Carbondale. I am majoring in biomedical sciences and I plan to hopefully attend dental school after I get my bachelor's degree. So this summer I did a research on effects of mesophication on the biodiversity of epiphytic bryophytes. Bryophyte is the group name for mosses, liverwort, and hornwort. An epiphyte is a plant that grows on another plant for its physical support. Mesophication is the process of removing fire from a forest that depends on fire. The objective of this study was to determine if the biodiversity of epiphytic bryophytes were impacted by mesophication. So over here, we collected 28 bryophyte samples. 14 of them were collected from maple trees and 14 of them were collected from oak trees. Then we did DNA extraction. We did set up PCR reactions. And then we sequenced trnL-F gene. A tree was made using IQ tree software, and the final tree was made by using fig tree. Over here in our results section, as you can see, we have our 28 samples, and the most common ones were sugar maple and red maple, which were really common in Southern Illinois. And these locations are all around Carbondale, so they are all located in Southern Illinois. And some of these locations were unmanaged and some of them were managed. So a managed area is an area that was taken care of by somebody else, such as a farm or a garden. And then a unmanaged area is an area that was abandoned and it was not taken care of. It took us 1 year to do this research from fall to spring. So that's why we have different temperatures. We have room temperatures and we also have 4.2 degrees Celsius. All of our biophytes happen to be pleurocarps and 2 of them happen to be acrocarps. So over here in the results section on the right side, as you guys can see, have the red ones stand for bryophytes growing on maple tree, and the blue color stands for bryophytes that were growing on oak trees. Half of them are maple trees and the other half are oak trees. And those 2 bryophytes that are standing out on the left side, they happen to be acrocarps. So over here, we found out that Leskea and Entodon were found both on oak and maple tree, and in both managed and unmanaged areas. Anomodon was found in oak trees in an unmanaged area. Orthotrichum was found only on maple trees and in managed areas. Clasmotodon was found only on maple trees in an unmanaged area. Platygyrium was only found on maple trees and in unmanaged areas. There was only one liverwort, such as Frullania, that was found on maple tree in both managed and unmanaged areas. We did observe greater biodiversity on maple trees as compared to oak trees, but currently our study does not have enough evidence to prove that mesophication actually did have an effect on the biodiversity of epiphytic bryophytes. But going forward, we plan to increase our sample size by gathering samples from more specific locations and to revisit samples whose morphological ID didn't match their phylogenetic ID. I would like to thank all of you guys for listening to me today, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.